What's up, guys? I'm Jamming Outdoors. Today I have this sweet ride, 50cc scooter. I got it for $120. I bought a $20 carburetor, and I'm going to clean this baby up, hopefully get this thing running tonight. So y'all stay tuned. Pop this up. This carburetor's already really loose. Whoever messed with it before started taking it out. I'm gonna pull this off. I'm going to finish disconnecting the carburetor. Now just the throttle cable. Pull the stopper out. This old carburetor, missing some pieces to it. Adjust this back nut to pull this out as far as you need. Tighten the nut up. The back boot was a little difficult. Just shove it in there. Tighten the clamp. So this little notch right there should interlock with the elbow bracket, or excuse me, elbow intake. Should go in right where that crack is. Actually do engine start, see if it does anything. So that battery seems to be beyond dead. Spark plug looks pretty good. Doesn't look even that dirty. So it's getting sparked. So now I got the new carburetor, and I'm pretty sure there should be good compression. I'm not really worried about the compression, but normally you could check the compression. And see what PSI your cylinder has in there. This is actually a vacuum line. This is going to go to the gas tank. This is going to go to the carb. Excuse me, other way around. This is going to go into the gas tank. This is going to go into the carb. This one's going to go into where the place I plugged up on the side of the motor of the intake, that elbow. Use this small hose, a fuel hose. It's on the back side of this petcock. So I hooked the fuel hose up directly to the fuel tank to test the float bulb. Looks like it's sealing right. Stock petcock is back on.